23 mark question. The state of Uttar Pradesh filed writ appeals only in respect of 3 out of the 16 writ petitions which stood allowed by the order of the learned single judge. Those 3 appeals, with special appeal number 648 of 2017, were considered by a division bench of the High Court, which with a judgment and order dated 25th March
12th April
2018, dismissed the appeals observing
page 9
as follows. 8 bottom mark portion. 8 and 9 mark portion.
Then
9 is review.
8
then
thereafter filed a review petition,
correct,
which was dismissed by the High Court by an order dated 25th
March 19, page 1.
25th March 2019.
Page
The review petition was also dismissed, challenging the orders dismissing the writ appeals as well as the review petitions from SLP civil number so-and-so has been filed before this court. It is not in dispute that during the last 5 years, the review petition has remained pending on the file of this court. Several appointments have been made on posts of teachers within bracket science and mathematics.
assistant teacher.
Assistant teacher within bracket science and mathematics, pursuant to orders passed by the learned single judge, which were not challenged in special events. In course of hearing before coordinate bench coordinate bench on an earlier occasion, it was the admitted case on both sides that although the respondents in the special writ petition had been counseled during the 4th and 5th rounds, but were not favored with appointment, those candidates who were counseled in course of the 7th and 8th rounds had been given appointment. By an order dated 22nd November 2022, this court called upon the 10th November 2022, this court called upon the state to file an affidavit in respect of the points mentioned therein. An affidavit has since been filed, to which the respondents have also filed their response. The facts that emerge are that some of the candidates who might have obtained marks lesser than the marks obtained by the successful petitioners have been appointed. Although the recruitment process was initiated in the year 2013 and more than a decade has passed since then, we cannot attribute the delay to the candidates. The reason for the delay squarely has to be placed on the state, having filed delayed special appeals, delayed writ petitions, as well as the present delayed special writ petition.
Review petitions, not writ petition, review petition. Review petition, not writ petition.
Your Lordship
After special appeal, your Lordship said writ petition, it should be review. I'm sorry.
Special appeal, review, and special writ petition. Notwithstanding the delay that has occurred, stands to reason that candidates who have secured marks than the candidates already appointed should be considered in accordance with the directions issued by the division bench on the appeals referred to above, as well as the learned single judge on the writ petitions against which there has been no challenge. We record the submission of Mr. Patwalia and Mr. Gupta, the senior counsel appearing for the candidates, that should they be appointed after the exercise that we direct hereunder to be performed, that they would not be claiming seniority vis-a-vis the candidates who have already been appointed or arrears of salary. We direct the state of Uttar Pradesh to consider the cases of each of the candidates who were petitioners before the learned single judge, as well as the petitioners in the petitions which have been filed before this court under Article 32 of the Constitution. Those of the candidates who are found to have secured marks and are otherwise qualified for being secured marks more than the candidate who has been appointed with the least number of marks shall be considered. Please don't interrupt, sir. This number of marks shall be considered and appointed in accordance with law, with the clear stipulation that such candidates shall not be entitled to seniority as well as arrears of salary. Let this exercise be completed as early as possible, preferably within 3 months from date, and in any case not beyond 6 months. Especially petition size is closed off.